Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you my review about the Redmi K20 Pro device after using for 5 months, and it's been close to like 200 days of using the Redmi K20 Pro device. So I'll be telling you all my thoughts about the device after using for a long time. What are the drawbacks and what are the positive things? So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, friends. SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and comparison reviews. So you can find the playlist of the Redmi K20 Pro in the description. So you can check various videos which are uploaded only on the Redmi K20 Pro alone. As you can see, 95 videos which are uploaded. So don't forget to check the links in description for the videos on Redmi K20 Pro device. So right now it's 2020, and is it right time to buy the Redmi K20 Pro? And if you're thinking to buy the Redmi K20 Pro, what are the things you need to keep in mind? So let's get everything will be covered in this video. So first thing, starting with the design and build quality of the mobile. So build quality of the mobile is very good. The back design is which is very good, as you can see here. So which is very glass looking design, not some kind of plastic looking. So the overall the build quality is very good in the Redmi K20 Pro device. Even the size is very compact. 6.3 inches is very like single hand usage, which is very comfortable. Even the bezels are very narrowed, as you can see here. When compared with the other smartphones, I feel the Redmi K20 Pro has a little bit of slightly less bezels, bottom and top. So even it has got the pop-up camera, which will give you the full screen watching experience while movies or playing the games. So which is another good advantage in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So even it has got the in-display fingerprint scanner, which is very good. And there is only bottom one single facing speaker, so which is another drawback. Nowadays most of the mobile phones, they are releasing with the two speakers. It has got single speaker. So this is overall build quality. I'm pretty happy with the phone. There is no problem at all. And next area where I'll be covering is the performance, and the phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 processor, which is very good. And from the starting day until now, I did not face any problem with the in terms of the processor. You can see the Antutu score, even it scored more than 4 lakhs, so which is very quite impressive compared with the other smartphone range. So even the multitasking is very good. There is no problem. As you can see right now, I installed plenty of applications in the mobile phone. Lot of applications got installed, but still I did not feel any lag while using the device. And in terms of the performance, I am pretty happy. There is no problem at all. And next is the display. So regarding the display, the phone, the Redmi K20 Pro is like clear winner when compared with all the smartphones in terms of the display, because it has got very high saturation levels and high contrast levels. So as you can see, friends, which is very good to watch in the Redmi K20 Pro device without any problem. The display is very good. I can give 10 out of 10 for the display, where the colors are very vibrant and contrast levels is very high. There is not at all single problem with the display of the Redmi K20 Pro device. This is the overall the best display of currently right now I'm having in all the smartphones. So now in terms of the camera, the Redmi K20 Pro packs with a very good cameras, like 3 cameras, 48 megapixel, another ultra wide, and third camera. So overall the camera is very good. I'm pretty happy with even the camera. There is no problem at all. And even you can record the 4K at 60 fps of video is possible in the Redmi K20 Pro device without any problem. As you can see, friends, 4K at 60 fps, which is very good in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So in terms of the camera quality, I'm pretty happy. There is no problem at all. Even the night photography is very good in the Redmi K20 Pro device without any trouble. I did not feel any problem in terms of the camera quality of the Redmi K20 Pro device. And next thing, it comes to the battery backup of the phone. So overall the battery backup is also very good. It's very decent, I can say. So with the normal usage you can expect 2 days, and with the medium usage 1.5 days, and with the heavy usage 1 day is possible in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So overall I'll get around the screen on time of close to 7 hours of screen on time is possible in the Redmi K20 Pro device without any problem. And next, in terms of the connectivity of, you also got the Wi-Fi, which supports the 5 GHz, and there is also another feature that is called Wi-Fi tethering is also available right now. You can see I connected the one Wi-Fi network, and I can even use the Wi-Fi tethering feature in the Redmi K20 Pro device. so without any trouble, so which is very good thing in the phone. And there is also another extra features like always on display. With the recent updates, we have got plenty of features installed in the always on display functionality, which is very good. So you'll get the different animations and different wallpapers you can choose from, which is very good. And the only thing which is not improved is that face ID of the Redmi K20 Pro device, so which is very slow. As you can see, it takes a lot of time to open and scan your face, so which is very slow in considering with other smartphones. So overall, even in terms of the fingerprint scanner, which is very fast, there is no problem at all, as you can see your friends. So overall, another drawback is that even there is a while playing the PUBG game, there is slightly touch sensitive issues while playing the PUBG game. Even till now, occasionally I used to face that kind of problems whenever I play the games in the Redmi K20 Pro device. So if you're a gamer, I think this may not be the good phone for you. But overall, friends, these are my overall impressions about the Redmi K20 Pro device. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist which contain in detail reviews about the device. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.